You like hip-hop?
What the hell you implying I like hip-hop for? Come dressed this way? I like country. You like country? That's the kind of music I like. Alabama. Give me some of that. Some Brooks and Duns. The Dixie Chicks, bitch.
GT Films.
Try me, soon bad bitches calling Rooster in my Rari. My young boy shooting no karate. Fake nigga, not me. In the hood, find me. Hanging with the real slash trap. Nigga, I'm in places where you can't find no rap, nigga. I can't rap, nigga, but still get paid on rap, nigga. Adrian Bruno with them hands make you tap, nigga. Getting money, either eating with the chaps, nigga. Fuck these niggas, they don't really wanna take it there. Just who's in the my young niggas, they ain't fighting Bill. Fuck shit, yeah, I be on it, nigga. Take your watch, chain and ring, yeah, I condone it, nigga. Squad, fuck shit, yeah, I'm on that fuck shit. Get your head cracked for that watch, chain and bracelet. Fuck shit, yeah, I'm on that fuck shit. He making songs about me when I see me better duck, bitch. Fuck shit, yeah, I'm on that fuck shit. Stop your ass out to the DJ hit the lights. Body, shooting coma Ivy, hands like I'm Ivy. Fuck shit, Buddha on that fuck shit. Full metal jacket, everybody but a duck shit. I don't give a fuck if your partner in the way. Buddha throwing bullets, this is not a run and play. Everybody thugging, milk on TMC, stamping niggas' face like he was the DMC. I be on that fuck shit, we be on that BS. 100 niggas gunning if you disrespect BS. Squad. Fuck shit, yeah, I'm on that fuck shit. Get your head cracked for that watch, chain and bracelet. Fuck shit, yeah, I'm on that fuck shit. He making songs about me when I see me better duck. Fuck shit, yeah, I'm on that fuck shit. Stop your ass out, and the DJ hit the lights. Now he try me, he get buzzes by me. Shooting for my body, hands like I'm Ivy. F-U-C-K, S-H-I-T, C-R-E-W. Ooh, that spells Trump. Ooh, that gotta be Trump. Always on the fuck. You fuck niggas never seen how act on the scene. Bitch, whole team scream. Got the one that I lean. Squeezing that car 15. Letting off all the shots I got. Run the whole yeah, cause these bullets hit hot. Put your pussies in the shit bag. What? Can you dig that? Imagine a bunch of grown-ups and huggers. How you gon' fit that? I know. Consequence when you cross that line, I've been talking shit on the low. Blow your mind out, no time out. We gon' put your head to the floor. You got a problem, no problem, I got him. Yeah.
Please don't do that.